Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Please, the chairman led the pray. Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Thanks for asking me. Okay, before we start our lesson today, I wanna ask you, did you remember our topic or our material last week? Yes. Okay, I will test you about the last topic. I'm hungry right now. What do you suggest to me? Yes. What? Okay, eating a meatball. Do you know the ingredients of about the meatball? Yes, daging, penyedap rasa, apalagi tepung tapioka dan bahan-bahan tambahan lainnya. Okay. After that, do you know what we are going to study now? No? Yes. Okay. Let's see. For this lesson today, I hope you can analyze and will be able to write down the materials and the steps of the foods or drinks by using appropriate language feature. And then later on we will discuss about the procedure text in the group or individually, and I will give you some of picture and you will be able to write down the ingredients and the steps of the foods or drinks by using the appropriate language feature. Now let's see this PPT. Please look at this PPT. I have two pictures. Please look at this picture. Okay. Do you know this food or drink? Yes. This is fried noodles and a cup of tea. Now, whoever eat or drink it? Yes. And then, do you know how to make it? Okay, good. Now, I want to explain our material about the procedure text. Okay, do you know what is procedure text? Okay, let's see the explanation. Definition of procedure text. Procedure text is a text that explains how to do something in sequence of action. The social function of procedure text is to describe something is accomplished through a sequence of actions or steps. Okay, we move to the next slide about the generic structure of the procedure text. The first is goal or aims. Goal or aims ini berisi informasi mengenai tujuan dalam pembuatan atau pengoperasian sesuatu. Then the materials or tools or ingredients terdiri dari bahan-bahan, alat-alat, dan sesuatu yang digunakan dalam membuat atau mengoperasikan sesuatu. And then steps. Steps is langkah-langkah atau urutan yang harus dilakukan agar tujuan yang diuraikan pada bagian aim or goals dapat tercapai. Langkah-langkah atau urutan-urutan tersebut harus berurutan mulai dari yang pertama hingga yang terakhir. Next, about the language feature of the procedure text. The first is imperative. Using imperative. Imperative sentence, for example, put the noodles on the blah blah blah. and then cut the onion, wash the vegetables, and so on. And then using simple present tense. Next, using action verbs. For example, make, take, boil, cook, and so on. And then using connective of sequence. For example, first, second, now. This is the example this is the example procedure text. This is how to make coconut or ice. In this slide, this is the example and the generic structure-nya, this dan language feature-nya. Generic structure, the first is the goals is how to make coconut ice, and the materials is, and the tools, the materials is, the ingredients is 1 fresh coconut and 5 ice cups, some topping if you want, and the tools, knife, 2 glass, 1 straw, and spoon. And the last step, the first step is prepare the coconut, cut and separate the water in glass, and then get the coconut meat by stir in it by spoon, and then pour out in glass, and then add some ice cups in glass that filled by water of coconut, and then pour the coconut into it, and the last add straw, and finally it's done. Okay, do you get it, the point so far? Do you have any question about the procedure text? No? Okay. Okay, students, because no one question about the material today, now let's work into groups. One group have 2 members, and then I have a pictures in this slide. I have a pictures, and one group will choose 1 pictures and discuss with your group what is the ingredients and the step about the food or drinks. Don't forget to use language feature that you have learned. And then if there are some difficulties, you can ask me. I give you 15 minutes to do this your group assignment, and if you have a question, you can ask me. Okay guys, let's do your assignment now. Okay students, time is up, and collect your discussion to me. And then group 1, can you present your discussion now? Okay. Thank you group 1. Now let's move to the next group. Okay students, next activity about the individual assignment. Now back to your chair, I will give you a worksheet. Okay, apakah semuanya sudah mendapatkan worksheet? Good. Di dalam worksheet tersebut, kalian semua harus menuliskan resep atau cara membuat makanan atau minuman yang telah kalian diskusikan tadi. Dan tugas ini adalah tugas individu, jadi semua siswa harus mengerjakannya. Saya memberikan waktu 15 menit untuk mengerjakannya, dan setelah itu kalian kumpulkan di meja. Baik. Okay, students, before this class ends, do you understand our topic today? Any questions so far? Okay, our material today about the procedure text, about the definition of procedure text, the social function of procedure text, the generic structure of procedure text, the example of procedure text, and the generic structure of procedure text. Okay, I want to find the way to operate something still relate with our topic. Saya akan memberikan penugasan kepada para siswa mengenai how to operate something. And then, well, for next week, we will discuss about how to operate something. Okay, students, good job for you guys. Thank you for all attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.